Discover this amazing beachside remedy. Ever thought coconut oil could calm your cough? Honestly, it does work wonders. So, as you stand by the ocean's edge, feel the breeze as you scoop a spoonful of coconut oil. Slowly gargle, letting the oil work its magic in soothing your throat. This age-old practice, nestled in nature's embrace, brings gentle relief. Cocooned in tranquility, each gargle ticks away your cough's grip. The fusion of ocean breeze and natural oils crafts a serene healing experience right there on the sand. Suddenly, your throat feels clearer, and peace settles in. Truly, the beach holds surprising cures. Curious for more wellness ways? Like, comment, and subscribe to explore nature's secrets.